Under the PM Surya Ghar Yojana, many state governments have also started schemes related to a 1.1 kilowatt rooftop solar system. Under certain conditions, customers can get a 1.1 kilowatt rooftop solar system completely free. But now the biggest question is this. Right now in the market, most brands offer 3 kilowatt grid tie inverters. So, which inverter is the best choice for a 1.1 kilowatt solar system? Hoymiles has brought the solution to this problem. This is the Hoymiles HM 1100 microinverter. It is specially designed for small rooftop solar systems. You can easily connect 2 solar panels to it and build a solar system of up to 1.1 kilowatt without any difficulty. The best part is that it comes with 2 separate MPPTs, so both panels work independently. Even if one panel gets covered by shade, the other panel continues to produce full power. Now let's talk about this microinverter. As you can see, it is a very compact microinverter. It is installed directly on the solar mounting structure. On one side you get the AC output cable, which is connected directly to the AC DB. Just below it you can see the antenna, which is used for communication between the RMS and the inverter. Here you get MC4 connectors for connecting the solar panels. There are 2 separate sets of connectors. Since it has 2 MPPTs, you need to connect one solar panel to each side. There is also a separate port for remote monitoring. You need to connect this dongle to that port. The dongle then connects directly with the meter. Although there is already an antenna on the microinverter for app monitoring, according to government guidelines, you still need to install this dongle. This allows the microinverter to connect directly with the meter. As a result, all your power generation is displayed directly on the meter. On the front, there is also status LED. It tells you whether the microinverter is running, switched off, or if there is any error. There are also 2 mounting holes for screws. Using these, you can easily mount the microinverter on the solar structure. There is one more hole provided for connecting the earthing wire. Now let's talk about some of its features. This microinverter supports solar panels from 400 watts up to 600 watts. So you can even use an N-type TOPCon solar panel of up to 600 watts with it. It has 2 independent MPPTs. Because of this, you can even connect 2 different sizes of solar panels to it. The third feature is its plug and play installation. You simply connect it to the solar panels, then connect its AC output cable to the AC DB box. After that, it starts working. As we already mentioned, it is installed behind the solar panels. So you do not need a separate DC DB box. The next feature is that it works at low voltage. Because of this, it starts working early in the morning and continues working until late in the evening. This means you get extra power generation compared to a string inverter. From a safety point of view, it also comes with a rapid shutdown feature. If insulation breaks for any reason, the system immediately comes down to 0 volts. This greatly reduces the risk of fire or electric shock. For communication, it supports M2M, RS485, RS232 and Wi-Fi. The next feature is its IP67 rating. This makes it water resistant and dust proof. Because of this, the microinverter can easily last up to 25 years. The brand provides a 12-year warranty. If you want, you can also extend the warranty up to 25 years by paying an additional amount. Now let's understand how it works. It is installed behind the solar panels. The solar panels are connected directly to the microinverter. There is no need to install a DC DB. You can connect its AC output cable directly to the AC DB box. After that, it starts working. Whatever electricity is generated by the solar panels starts feeding directly into the grid. If you want to monitor the power generation, Hoymiles also provides its own app called S-Miles. After installing and setting up the app, you can monitor the complete power generation directly on your mobile phone. You can even see the generation of each individual panel. This helps you know exactly how well each panel is performing. If any panel develops a problem, you can easily identify that panel and get it replaced. Now let's talk about who can benefit the most from this microinverter. As we mentioned earlier, it is the best choice for the government's 1.1 kilowatt solar scheme. You can connect 2 solar panels and build a complete 1.1 kilowatt solar setup with this microinverter. Second, it is a great option if you want to install solar panels on your balcony. If you do not have rooftop space or do not even have a rooftop, you can install 2 solar panels on your balcony. This allows you to build a solar setup of up to 1.1 kilowatt right on your balcony. Third, it is perfect for homes where there is a rooftop but very little space. If you cannot install a large solar system and only want to install 2 panels on your roof, you can easily do that using this microinverter. Hoymiles also offers microinverters with capacities up to 2 kilowatts and 5 kilowatts. So you can build a solar setup according to your power requirement. Fourth, it is an excellent choice for locations with shading. If there is a nearby building or a tree casting shadows on your rooftop where string inverters do not perform well, a microinverter is a much better option. Even if one panel is under shade, the other panel continues to work perfectly. If you have installed more panels, only the shaded panels will produce less power. All the other panels will continue working perfectly. It is also a great option if you want to expand your solar system in the future. For example, if you currently have a 5 kilowatt setup and later need more power generation, you can simply add a 1 kilowatt microinverter and increase the system capacity by 1 kilowatt. In the same way, you can expand your setup by 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts, or as much capacity as you need using these microinverters. So, as you can see, this inverter comes with many useful features and is beneficial for many different types of users. If you also want to install this microinverter on your rooftop, you can contact a Hoymiles dealer, distributor, or directly an EPC partner to get the system installed. If you are an EPC installer and want to use it under the government scheme, you can purchase it directly by contacting a Hoymiles distributor. If you still have any questions or suggestions about it, let us know in the video comment section. That's all for today's video. Thank you.